Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, and welcome if you're new. I'm Josephine. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful skirt. If you'd like to know how I made this skirt, watch this video to the end. Thank you guys. The measurement you'll be needing for this skirt is your waist to hip, your waist to your full length, then your waist measurement and your hip measurement. That's what we'll be using for this skirt. So we'll first of all cut the upper part of the skirt, which is your waist to hip. This is my fabric. I'm just taking a random measurement. So I'll be cutting the front first before cutting the back. For the measurement of the front, I'll be dividing my hip by 4. Whatever I get, I'll fold my fabric into 2 like so. After doing that, I'll go ahead and start inserting my measurement. So for this skirt, the measurements from my waist to my hip is 10 inches. So I'll be using 3 inches for my band. So what I'm marking now is 7 inches. That's I minus the 3 inches I'll be using for my band. So from my waist to my hip, I use 7 inches, but I added 1 inch for joining allowance, half an inch at the upper part and half inch at the lower part. So that is what I'm marking. I'm marking 8 inches. So I went ahead to mark my waist measurement, which is my waist divided by 4 plus 1 inch. Then I'll do the same thing at that 8 inches I marked. That is my hip line. So I'm going to take my hip measurement divided by 4 plus 1 inch, and I'm going to mark it also there. What I'm doing now is from my waistline to my hip line. Remember, I marked 8 inches, so I'm just ruling a straight line across it. After taking my measurements, I'm going to go ahead, use my curve ruler to curve the waist to the hip. Then go ahead and cut it out. So after cutting it out, this is how it looks. When you open it up, you can see it's one piece. So I'll go ahead and cut the back piece. For the back piece, I'll be needing 2 pieces of my fabric. Then I'll mark 1 inch for my zipper allowance. After doing that, then I'll take the front piece I cut out. The folded part should be at that 1 inch you mark. So you place it on this other fabric, that's the back piece now. Then you cut the folded part, that's the folded part of the front piece should be at that 1 inch. After placing it on it, then you cut out the side. So this is it after cutting it out. So I'm going to open it up. You can see it's 2 pieces. The back is 2 pieces while the front is on fold. So right now I'm going to open up the front. Then I'll place the back piece on it and sew by the side by 1 inch. Remember, we added 1 inch allowance. So I'll place it like this, the side, right side facing right side. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew 1 inch at the side. Then I'll bring it back for us. So this is it after sewing. So if I open it up, it's going to be like a long piece. That's one long piece. This is it. I'm going to go ahead and take the waist measurement so I can cut out the band. Remember, our band we are using 3 inches. So I'm going to be cutting 7 inches wideness for my waistband. I'll be using 1 inch for joining. Then for the length we got from the measurement we took from the waist. So I'll take it and iron it. I'll fold it into 2, iron it. Then I'll iron stay to one side of it. After doing that, I'm going to place the band on the upper part of the skirt. That's the wrong side of the skirt and the right side of the band. That is the band, not where I iron the hairstay. The other side I did not iron the hairstay. I'm going to place it on the waist of the skirt and I'll sew it by 1/2 inch. After doing that, I'm going to bring it back for us to see. This is it after ironing the hairstay to it and attaching it to the upper part of the skirt. You can see. So I'm going to fold it, like fold the band into two. That's the place with an hairstay. I'm going to place it on the front. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew 1/2 inch, folding the tip like so. So this is it after sewing. I've gone ahead to attach the band. So right now I'm going to be taking the measurement of my hip line. That's the lower part. I'm going to take the measurement. If your measurement is 25, just times the 25 by 3. So that is what I did. I times the 25 by 3 and I got 75. That is if your measurement is 25. Mine is more than that, so I'll just times it by 3. Then I'll cut the long fabric of the measurement I got, and for the length, that's the wideness of the fabric, I use 17.5 inch. So this is me showing you the length, that's the wideness of the fabric I used, that's 17.5. I'm going to fold it into two like so. Then I'll run a gather stitch at that opening part, that's the upper part. I'll run a gather stitch on it, then I'll bring it back for us to see. And for this other piece is the measurement, that's your full measurement. If your full measurement is 25, then and you used your waist to your hip as 10, so you minus 10 from the 25, the remaining part of it, that is this one I'm cutting out now. So for mine, I just got the length from my hip downward to the full length. So I'm going to run a pleating on it like this. After running a pleating, I'll bring it back for us to see. This is it after running a pleating on the fabric. And this is the one with a gather stitch. So right now I'm going to be placing both the gathers fabric and the pleated fabric on the upper part of the dress. So right now I'm folding it into two and marking the center points. So after marking the center point, I'm going to open it up. I'll first of all place the fabric with the gathers. That's the one we folded on two and run a gather stitch on it. I'm going to place that first on it. Then I'll go ahead and place the one with the pleated on it. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew 1/2 inch. Then I'll bring it back for us to see. So this is it after joining the pleated lower part to the upper part of the skirt. So right now I'm going to fold my skirt into two. Then I'll take the 1 inches I left for zipper allowance. I'll take it to my sewing machine, attach the zip, then sew down the 1 inches. After sewing down the 1 inch, I'll go ahead and hem the lower part of the skirt. After doing that, I'm going to bring it back for us to see. So this is it after joining. Our skirt is fully ready. Take it, iron it, then you can rock your skirt. If you watch this video up to this part, thank you guys so much for supporting your girls. Thank you, my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. I love you guys so much. Continue to support me. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I will reply you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.